Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see the answer is not minus 3. So how we'll get the answer minus 3 when we solve and the according to BODMAS and not applying the left to right rule. So first of all, how to get the minus 3? So 3 minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so now first of all we simplify the addition. So here 3 minus 3 plus 3 is 6 and we will get the answer is minus 3. So this is the wrong answer. If in any question only two arithmetic operation have present, addition and subtraction, then we will simplify left to right rule. Okay, this is the exact answer we will give. 3 minus 3 is 0 and plus 3. So it means that plus 3 is right answer of this question. Now we will verify this answer is plus 3 is right or wrong. So here we write according to calculator 3 minus 3 plus 3 equal to 3. So this is the right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. If you are new, not watching the previous video on BODMAS, so visit BODMAS order of operation for beginners playlist in our YouTube channel.